Hello, welcome to Medill Newsmakers. I'm Jessica Christopher. We're now taking a closer look at AI technologies. While artificial intelligence has been around for decades, in recent years, AI has become an inseparable part of many workforces. One new platform, ChatGPT, has the internet buzzing. The platform officially launched in November of 2022. Since its launch, the application has attracted more than 300 million visitors to OpenAI, the AI deployment platform that built ChatGPT. I sat down with YouTuber and Amazon tech solutionist Colin Baird, who says ChatGPT is the fastest growing application in history.
ChatGPT is a large language model. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. What ChatGPT is intended to do is provide an interface, a chat interface that can provide text summarization or really generating contextually relevant responses based on user inputs. In the case of ChatGPT and large language models, is large amounts of text, maybe from web pages, maybe from literature, are fed into these systems, and then you have humans validating what it is that that system is learning and training it to engage with people in a conversational manner.
The app is user-friendly, inviting workers from a variety of professions to put ChatGPT to use. This large language model, or LLM, feeds text data into its algorithm to assist with assorted tasks throughout the workday.
Some of the potential applications that we've seen, text summarization. So you feed in a report, maybe it's a new study, maybe you feed in a book or some subset of literature that you wanted to summarize, or maybe it's even meeting transcripts. It can also be used for information search. So you might have seen people mention how it's a potential competitor to Google search. And then, some other cases that are commonly being applied is coding. So code completion, code generation, or even testing. And then you have things like writing. Some people are using it to write blog posts. And then finally, maybe ideation. So you might have a business owner who's trying to figure out a go-to-market plan, and they're using ChatGPT to help them generate certain ideas.
With so many potential applications, there's a growing fear that AI programs like ChatGPT could disrupt the job market. So, is AI coming for your job?
First and foremost, job loss from the advancement of technology is not inherently new. These are fears that we commonly have, and not to say that they're ill-founded, because I think there is merit to the tendency to be weary of things that we're not deeply familiar with. With that said, though, I think that this is one of the occasions where there is definitely merit to some of these concerns. With that said, there's a couple different things to kind of consider here. Is the level of AI being one of them. So right now, ChatGPT is almost magical in the way that it responds to prompts, and that's why it's gone viral. But at the same time, going back to prompt engineering, you still need a human to direct that AI to make sure that it is actually producing valuable output. So right now, with current AI systems, you still very much need a human to kind of to perform that logic and reasoning to direct these systems.
Many experts agree that AI won't replace humans entirely anytime soon. However, as Baird said, as AI becomes more widely accessible, companies will invest in these technologies as a tool for their employees to increase productivity levels. Productivity is the goal for account executive Jared Prince, who works for Salesforce, a software company that keeps track of corporate clients. At Salesforce, the use of AI apps like ChatGPT is now a standard part of the company's culture.
I think humans are always going to be a necessity at some point, right? But I think there's ways that we can optimize jobs differently and use people as a resource in different areas that we're not using right now. So I think the AI and ChatGPT and all those new technology that's coming out, I think we have to use it as a tool at our disposal and find ways that it's more of a benefit, not a replacement of humans, right? I think you can always utilize the software in the best way possible, but I think being able to use it in a way that's impacting positive rather than negative, I think most people will always get behind that.
In March, Salesforce announced the launch of its new AI platform, Einstein GPT. They say this new ChatGPT app for Slack will integrate OpenAI's technology to provide instant conversation summaries, research tools, and writing assistance. In a press release, the company says, with Einstein GPT, Salesforce will transform every customer experience with generative AI.
They're always trying to be on the cutting edge of technology. Salesforce is a global company, very similar to like Google. So they're always wanting to be on that cutting edge of technology. And I think they want their employees to also be on the cutting edge of technology, right? Us being the ones who can use it, and then we can advocate to our customers that, you know, someone who uses Salesforce, they have the option now to use Einstein GPT, and then we can advocate to our customers saying, hey, we use this in our day-to-day. It helps us with X, Y, Z. This can only benefit your company, your employees. So almost like us being the advocates for the AI, for the technology to our own customers, right? So if you're using it and you like it, your customers are probably going to want to use it, right? That kind of stuff. So
in Baird's YouTube video, 8 AI predictions from OpenAI CEO Sam Altman, it is clear that as AI technologies gain more popularity, companies will have to implement AI training programs to compete. This story comes on the heels of Altman's appearance before Congress in May. There, Altman said AI technology has the potential to go wrong, but with proper regulations, it also has the potential to streamline workplace productivity. For Medill Newsmakers, I'm Jessica Christopher. Thanks so much for watching.